All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So Ringke was kind enough to send over two of the most beautiful cases. Obviously, it's the Fusion. This is the clear, and this is the smoked black, is what it says. That's basically referring to the edges of the device. Now, I've actually been had this on device for a second, so it's really nice. It gets to show you what the clear one looks like. Then I'll try on the smoke. But let's take a look at ports and everything. You can see the camera actually has a little bit of a recess now. Look at that. So it's recessed. Yeah. Then the fingerprint reader has a nice deep recess in there. It actually works pretty well. Nice spot open for your finger. And then if you look along the side here, some branding here, shock absorption technology. And you got made in Korea. Then you got Ringke Fusion right there. So you can see the nice mint green power button. You can still see it there. Button's nice and tactile, nice and clicky. Everything feels the same. No problem with that whatsoever. I actually have a tempered glass on here, so you can see that it actually works well with that. It's very case friendly with the glass, so it matches well with even the non-Ringke product. So on the top here, you've got some little stitching, little branding in there. It looks like some kind of code or something for the SKU possibly, but you got a fingerprint reader open, microphone lines up perfectly right there. On the bottom, all ports line up. So again, a little bit of lip protection here. Check it out right there. You can see it. So it's a little bit raised on the edges. You also have a spot for a lanyard right here too. So Ringke has a lot of lanyards. They have these custom lanyards too. So if you're a lanyard person, you can definitely grab that. Lay it flat down on the table and you are good to go. Very nice. And if this had wireless charging, it would definitely work. Let's crack open the smoked black. Again, comes with some nice simple packaging. Always get the materials. Ringke, you are awesome. Yes, you are. You're amazing. All right, so let's see if I can not get trolled on camera here. Because the other case, that clear case right there, man, it was something else, man. I could barely get the interior one off. I had a lot of issues with it. It was really tight on there. It was like to the edge, and I just could not get it off. However, might be okay. I mean, this is good protection to keep the screen protector nice and protected. But I'll tell you, it can be a hassle sometimes. Oh, I just had it. I had it coming up and then I let it go down. Ringke, you don't tell me you're back on this, doing these very difficult things on here. All right, here we go. Man, that was a task. Let's see if the rear on that one was super easy actually. On the clear, it was really easy when I initially took it off, but the front was pretty tough to get off. Hey, all right. So now here is the smoke black. We'll try that on. The clear looks really nice. Wipe the device down. Make sure you wipe the device down, folks, to get any kind of debris or anything out. There you go. Looks clear to me. And the smoke black. Here it is. Now obviously the smoke black with the sides being smoked out. You know, people might gravitate towards this one. But either one is nice to me. They both have that clear back so you can see the device. And I think they both look really good, man. So tightly wrapped, but really nice. I think I might rock with the clear one. I like the smoke black, but the clear seems to really, really bring out something about the device. I don't know. What do you guys think? Both are nice. Yeah, I think it highlights that mint button a little bit better. But if you have a tempered glass on your device, it will work. Screen protectors will work with it. So you'll see that it's going to play well with it. So even non-Ringke products. And look here, there's a little bit of Ringke branding right in here. And it's right in here too. You see it right there? That's pretty cool, man. They got Ringke branding all over this thing. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Ringke has blessed us again with two cases for a beautiful, very nice device, man. So Drop protection, lip protection, protection for the camera, fingerprint reader, all ports. Everything is right on. So, Ringke, you're amazing.